Want to transform your manuscript into a globally recognized book? You need the ultimate publishing standard. Introducing the GPN Signature Package. For $1,999, you get complete publishing and branding support. First, we handle the heavy lifting, professional editing, flawless formatting, and a custom cover design that catches the eye. Next, we build your digital empire. You receive a fully custom author website and professional goods setup to establish your brand. But we don't stop at print and ebooks. We transform your story into a professionally narrated, fully mastered audiobook, ready for the world. Then comes the launch. We create a cinematic video trailer and launch a custom marketing campaign to skyrocket your visibility. Finally, we publish worldwide. Your book and audiobook will launch globally across Amazon, Ingram Spark, Apple Books, Walmart, Audible, and Findaway Voices. The best part? You work with a dedicated project manager and get unlimited revisions until your book is an absolute masterpiece. Getting started is easy. Choose the Signature Package, and we'll immediately assign your project manager to collect your materials. From drafting to global distribution, you review every step. We manage the entire creative team, so you don't have to. Don't just publish a book, launch your legacy. Claim your free consultation today at globalpublishingnetwork.com.